Here we go. What do we got, boys? What are we doing? Hello?
We're shed hunting.
Oh, there it is.
Shed hunting!
Hunting. Wow.
Yeah, hunting.
Who taught you to speak like that, Noah?
Jargon.
All right, here we go. Let's go. Keep us going, Lukey. Don't even know what to think about that one. Isaac, brownies?
Yep.
Chalkers, hard white. What are we doing today? A little bit of everything? Let's get them. You want to go home and eat a snack. How are you going to find any sheds if you're at home eating snacks?
I don't know if we're going to find any.
You remember you said you wanted to come. You said you were a big boy. Look, your brothers are way up there. Let's go. Catch up to them. Come on.
I'm just so tired.
Look at this. What's up, Noah?
What?
What's up?
I can't open it. Oh, it's being a really big baby.
We had to stop. We're not even a quarter mile up the mountain. No, it was starving, he says. So we had to lay down for a little break. What do you think, Luke?
It's fun.
Oh, you think we're into all kinds of sign? Look, we got bull tracks all over the place. We got bull tracks everywhere. And this looks like some really good country. Aaron, what do you think?
I think it's stupid how there's so much sign and no sheds.
Well, we'll find them. It's better that there's sign than no sign, right?
Yeah. Noah, stop.
Oh boy.
You're being such a baby.
Hey, Noah, let's just relax for a second, okay? You get warmed up. We'll
He's
get you
getting
some
mad
snacks.
at me, and I'm opening him and giving stuff to him.
Okay. Well, this is what it has come down to right now. My 3 oldest are up shed hunting, and I'm here with Noah LeBron since he was starving and needed a snack. How you doing now?
Good.
You doing better?
Need water?
Now he's just asleep.
You need water?
Yeah.
Go. Isaac!
Isaac! I couldn't have slept on the mud.
What's up, Aaron?
Curl it, Noah. Curl it, Noah.
We got
Two hands, two hands.
our
Two
fire going.
hands. Two hands.
We got a workout in session.
Wait, I got it though.
No, two hands.
Look at the size of Isaac's shed he found.
big old shed.
What up, Luke?
What up?
How's that fire coming along?
Not so good.
No, you gotta.
Kind
No,
of.
you
Looks
gotta.
pretty
bring it
good to
up
me.
Like this. Like this.
Okay.
Aaron, how many sheds we got so far?
25.
Counting the small ones, we still have 0?
Yeah.
It's been a rough day.
I can do it again.
All right, let's get them, right? We're gonna eat some lunch real quick and get out. And
It's good.
let me have a look at it. Oh, I can smell it. Oh man, that looks so good. Lukey, what do you think?
Really good.
Yeah. LeBron, did you get a bite?
Say one.
And? Yeah. Oh, sorry. You just knocked the phone out of my hand.
Sorry. No, I did not like it.
Were you filming?
Yeah, I was filming.
This is so good.
Legit. I like your forks, Aaron and Luke, that your father created. Oh my gosh. It's thick through here, huh, Noah?
What?
How many sheds are there in here?
Daddy, do you see it? Can I go get it?
Oh, if I see one, you're getting it.
Yeah.
Ooh, this kind of looks sheddy.
Daddy.
No, go over this way a little bit.
That?
Keep your eyes peeled, Noah. Noah, come over this way a little bit. Come over this way a little.
Over there. Oh, I found one!
What?
Oh,
What?
I found one! Oh
Are you serious?
I found
Holy cow, let me have a look at that. How many points, Noah?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh my gosh, it's huge. Can you even carry that?
Yeah.
Holy cow.
I found one.
Oh my gosh. Okay, what do we got here, Aaron?
You're like, oh, there's one.
Teensy little lizard. Look at that guy.
I don't know how you saw that.
I saw him move, and I was like, what is that?
You captured him.
Yeah.
You know how much smaller that is than an elk antler?
Yeah.
Okay, let him go right here on this rock. Oh, he just doesn't really know. He's probably still a little cold.
Oh, can I touch him? Lizards
Yeah,
are
touch
cold.
him.
Lizards are cold-blooded.
Okay, don't smash him, Noah. All right, say goodbye. He's just getting...
Okay, I'll put him somewhere
No,
else.
he's fine there.
Put him on the ground.
No, he's fine there. He is on the ground. Oh, Isaac found one too. Hey, Luke, he found one too. Aaron, hold on. Aaron, oh my gosh. Look. Wow. Aaron, what'd you find? Is that a moose? Oh, it's a deer antler. Hard white? Is it hard white?
Yeah.
Sick.
I'm looking for another one.
Good job, Noah. Do you want me to hold that for you?